Let's learn how to upload YouTube videos from a mobile device. Have you ever wanted to upload a good video to YouTube but didn't know how? If this has happened to you, after watching this video till the end, you won't have this problem anymore because I will show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the YouTube app on your phone. When you open YouTube, you will be on the home page, and at the bottom center you will see a plus sign. You need to click on that plus sign, and when you do, a page will open where you can choose what you want to upload. For example, I will select a video. When you select what you want to upload, a page will open showing the videos from your gallery. You need to choose the one you want to upload by clicking on it, and then click the next button in the bottom right corner. When you click on it, a page will open where you can choose various options, but I won't do that now. Once you have selected all your preferences, click the next button in the top right corner. After clicking it, you will be asked if your video is made for kids or not. Choose whether it is or isn't, and then click the blue upload button at the bottom. When you click it, you will have successfully uploaded your video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.